Hello, let's try to solve this question. And the question is 1 raised to the power x plus 10 raised to the power x is equal to 100 raised to the power x. Then what is the value of x? And it's given that x belongs to real number. So let's start. Look at this first. This is a 1 raised to the power x plus 10 raised to the power x. It's equal to 100 raised to the power x. And, and it's given that x belongs to real number. So 1 raised to the power any real number it's equal to just 1. So this will become a 1 plus 10 raised to the power x. It's equal to 100 raised to the power x. Now we write this 100 as a 10 square, its power is x, and this is a 1 plus 10 raised to the power x. Now here we use exponent property, which is a raised to the power n raised to the power n. It's equal to a raised to the power m raised power, its again power is n. So using this property, we write this value as a 10 raised to the power x multiply 2. And this is a 1 plus 10 raised to the power x. Now we subtract this value on both sides of this equation. So this will become a 1 plus 10 raised to the power x minus 10 raised to the power x multiply 2. It's equal to 0. Now in the next step, we let that y it's equal to 10 raised to the power x. Then above equation will become a 1 plus y minus y square it's equal to 0. Now we rearrange this equation. So we write this as a minus y square plus y plus 1 it's equal to 0. Now in the next step, multiply this equation by minus 1 on both sides. So this is a minus 1 and multiply this by minus 1. Multiply 0 by any digit, we get a just 0. So now this will become positive y square. Then multiply minus 1 by plus y, we get a minus y. Multiply minus 1 by plus 1, we get a minus 1. So this is a quadratic equation, and we use a quadratic formula to solve this equation. And the quadratic formula is y is equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then what is a? A is the coefficient of y square, which is 1, and the b is the coefficient of y, which is minus 1, and the c is a constant. In this case it's a minus 1. So substitute this value in this formula. So we get a y is equal to minus, and b is a minus 1 plus minus b square mean minus 1 square is a positive 1 minus 4a is 1 and the c is minus 1 over 2 and a is 1. So now we simplify this value. Minus and minus will become a positive 1 plus minus 1 minus and minus will become a positive 4 multiply 1 is 4, multiply 2 by 1 we get a 2. So now we again simplify, we get a 1 plus minus square root 1 plus 4 is 5 over 2. So we get a 2 value of y. So one value is 1 minus square root 5 over 2, and the second value is 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Now look at this, and in our question we let that y is equal to 10 raised to the power x. So this implies 10 raised to the power x it's equal to 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Now look at the left hand side. Left hand side is in exponent form, and look at the right hand side. If we solve a 1 minus square root 5 over 2, we get a negative number. So this is not possible because left hand side is in exponent form, so we cannot use this value. Now look at this. So y is equal to 10 raised to the power x is equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2. and 1 plus square root 5 over 2. If we solve this, we get a positive integer, and left hand side in the exponent form, so we can use this value. We just find the value of x. For this, we take a log on both sides of this equation. So this is our log 10 raised to the power x, it's equal to log 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Now here we use a property of log, and we know that log a raised to the power b, it's equal to b log a. And we recall another property of log, which is also used on right hand side. The property of log is log a divide b, it's equal to log a minus log b. So use this first property on left hand side, so this will become x time log 10, it's equal to, use this second property on right hand side, so we write this as a log 1 plus square root 5 minus log 2, and the log 10, it's equal to 1, so this is a x time 1, it's equal to log 1 plus square root 5 minus log 2. So this implies x is equal to log 1 plus square root 5 minus log 2. So this is the answer of x in our question. So we have done. Thank you.